walking down this empty street where the shadows and the neon meet. The wind is blowing cold tonight. I'm searching for a guiding light. I close my eyes and see your face, locked inside this lonely place. The time has come to break the wall before the sky begins to fall. And I know the dreams are hard to find when you leave the past behind. Oh, I try to kill the pain inside, but there is nowhere left to hide. So tell me, why are we burning down the flame? I am calling out your name in the shadows, in the rain. Yes, tell me, why does a heart have to break? How much more can we take before the morning comes again? In the shadows, in the rain. The world is changing much too fast. We're living in a broken glass, but somewhere deep inside my soul I know I haven't lost control. 'Cause I feel the magic is not gone, and we have to carry on, yeah. I feel the power in your eyes like a thunder from the sky. So tell me, why are we burning down the flame? I am calling out your name in the shadows, in the rain. Yes, tell me, why does a heart have to break? How much more can we take before the morning comes again? Now the walls are tumbling down, silence is the loudest sound. I hold the key to set us free, it is written in our destiny. We've walked a million miles of stone just to find we're not alone. The storm is rising in the west, put our passion to the test. Love is a sting, it hurts so deep. It's a promise we must keep. Takes me higher, takes me low. I will never let you go, no. And I know it's not too late to try. Spread your wings and fly. Yeah, I scream into the endless night.